Alice lived alone by the lighthouse, where fog hid the world each morning. One day she found an old heavy typewriter on the rocks covered in seaweed. Every morning a new page waited by its keys, damp and smelling like the ocean. The words were from people Alice had never met, talking in strange, broken lines. Each page talked about a keeper, lost on the cliffs, always named Alice. At night, when Alice tried to sleep, the waves sounded like soft clicking, like typing keys. One night the noises spelled her name, and the newest page read, "She is gone."